Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick, easy and filling dinner recipe which can be made in just under 10 minutes. Ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using a handful of lettuce leaves and I'm chopping the lettuce leaves. Okay, now I have chopped the lettuce leaves and I'm going to keep this aside. I'm using 2 eggs in this recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in the eggs. Add in half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. A splash of water. And with a fork, I'm mixing this really well. Once mixed, add in the chopped lettuce leaves. Give it a good mix so that the egg is coated with the lettuce leaves. I'm heating a wide pan with 1 to 2 teaspoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Lightly swirl the pan so that the oil is nicely coated all over the pan. Add in the egg mix and lightly spread it into a round circle. 2 to 3 minutes later, carefully turn it over. Since the omelette is loaded with lettuce leaves, it may break when you turn it over, but that doesn't matter. Allow that side to get cooked as well on low flame. And once that side is done, serve to a plate. And my super healthy lettuce omelette is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy lettuce omelette and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.